kular hakan ikasni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel ane hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongki. Ke emission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Usembut mentirang ba oba kami yaknat penraiser. Ba asnyau balang dar ulong ba ka projek jong Khyndai large shopping mall. Kalajan dem ba ka sarkar kan sa penmi paj ba ya ka expression of interest tang siyo ya ka kaipat ka pakado. Ulai thuru baka jing sakut ke projek Pulau Mall. Kadai namar bagi nong simwai kio abai jaka dor ke berit. Wat hadim lapan mi bun sien ya ka jing penpana. Hakabai day baka New Shillong Township uba adhar lapan pau ya ka jing kerman. Batong bagi projek kumpaka long menta kila nang Tyllun chakman.
For the Police Bazaar shopping mall, we are yet to complete. So as soon as the completion report is submitted, so we will go for the expression of interest. And Polo Mall, we have advertised 2-3 times, so no one come forward. It seems the rate is very high. So again, we have to discuss. It seems we have to reduce a little bit so we can go again for it. That is as of today. So let us see. New Shillong Township is the work is progress very good. It's very good in the positive direction. All the projects, some projects from the urban department, from project from tourism department, from project from the other, all the projects are progressing very good in and around New Shillong Township.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.